Check your printer and its labels to find your printer name and number. So, what is the difference between a printer name, a product number, and a serial number? The printer name identifies what components were used to build a group of printers. Your printer has a name in the same way that a car manufacturer gives a specific car a model name. The product number identifies your HP printer within a model number series and establishes the region where that printer is sold. The serial number is unique to an individual printer and is used to check warranty information and track the repair history. For example, there could be 10,000 HP printers with the same printer name, but only 1,000 that share that same product number, and only one printer with a unique serial number. Check the following locations to find the printer name or number. On most printers, the name or number is on the front of the printer, on or next to the printer control panel. On some DeskJet or PhotoSmart printers, the name or number is located on the top of the printer. There are two locations to check for the product and serial number. The most common location is on a label on the back of the printer. The product and serial number are on the same label. On some printers, the label is on the bottom of the printer. Write down the printer name and number and store them in a safe place for future reference.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your HP printer device, get in touch with our HP printer expert. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos. And in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.